Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. Let's start a new part of your chapter, number 7 of grade 7, comparing quantities. In maths, we use the following for comparison: fractions, ratios, and percentages. In fractions, numerator by denominator a by b will be compared. In ratios, a is to b, which is same as a by b. Percentage a by b into 100. In 100%, we will be comparing. Percentages when total is 100. Numerator by denominator is equal to fraction by 100. That means out of 100, we are calculating the fraction out of 100. 1 percentage means 1 by 100. That means among 100 parts, we are taking only 1. So you can call it like 0.01, that is 100th. Percentage means per 100. Per 100 means we are calculating the fraction or the value of the data according to how much is filled inside 100 quantities. Find the percentage of children of different heights for the following data. The table indicates heights of some children with their frequencies denoted in the second column. So you can write them in the fraction and in percentage. Fraction can be written like 22 by 100, 25 by 100, 32 by 100 and 21 by 100, since the total is 100 and each part is 22, 25, 30, 32 and 21 respectively. In percentage, it can be 22 percentage, 25 percentage, 32 percentage and 21 percentage. And there is a case that when the total is not 100, when it is not 100 and we have, for an example, let's take 20. 8 by 20 into 100. You can convert it to 100 by multiplying with 100. Then that will be 80 by 22, that is equal to 40 percentage. Percentages when total is not 100. 8 by 20, you can write like 8 by 20 into 100 by 100, which is equal to 800 by 20 into 100. You can group them, which is equal to 40 by 100, that is 40 percentage. Converting fractional numbers to percentage. 1 by 3 as percentage, you can write 1 by 3 into 100 by 100, that is 1 by 3 into 100 percentage. That is 100 by 3 percentage, which is 33 1 by 3 percentage, which can be in the mixed fraction format. To convert decimal to percentage, what we can do? 0.75% into 100 percentage, which is equal to 75 by 100 into 100 percentage, that is 75 percentage. Likewise, 0.09 to percentage, we can convert like 0.09 into 100 percentage, that is 9 by 100 into 100 percentage, which is equal to 9 percentage. Now to convert the percentages to fractions or decimals, we can do the following method. In the table given below, you can see that a fraction is given for the 1 percentage as 1 by 100. For 10 percentage, it is 10 by 100. Its decimals can be represented like 0.01, 0.10 according to the number of places which are in the denominator. Okay, if we have two zeros on the denominator after 1, you can give like 0.01, that is 2 decimal places after the decimal. Likewise, 25 by 100, that is 0.25. You can complete the table. Fill the following. 35 percentage plus dash percentage is equal to 100. Of course, it is 65 percentage. 64 percentage plus 25 percentage plus dash is equal to 100. You can think your answer and write down. 65 percentage of students in a class have a bicycle. What percentage of the students do not have bicycles? Of course, 65 plus 35. Use of percentages. Converting percentages to how many? In a class, 40 percentage passed a test. If there are 30 students, how many passed? How many failed? So 40 percentage of 30 is equal to 40 by 100 into 30. This is the way you have to do, which is equal to 12, and 12 people passed. And 60 percentage of 30, that is the remaining will be 60 percentage after 100. 60 by 100 into 30, that is 18. Or you can do it like, since there are 30 in total, you can, if we get the first answer, you can subtract it with or from the 30, then you will get 18. So 18 failed and 12 passed. Next topic, ratios to percents. Ratio is given like 1:2, total is 15, and each fraction can be written like 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and each gets that one fraction into total and the second fraction into the total. If 250 is to be divided amongst Ravi, Raju and Roy, so that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju gets 3 parts and Roy gets 5 parts. How much money will each get? What will be it in percentages. Ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 5. So the total of the ratio or the total number of parts equal to 10. And amount for each you can take for the first person 2 by 10 into 250. 250 is the total rupees. So that will be 250 into 2 by 10, that is 500 by 10. That is a 20 percentage. Likewise 3 by 10 into 250 is equal to 75. That is 3 by 10 into 100 percentage. That is 30 percentage. 5 by 10 into 250 equal to 125. So the last person gets 5 by 10 into 100 percentage. That is 50 percentage. Increase or decrease as percent, that is the percentage change, and it can be denoted like amount of change by original amount into 100. You will have a change in amount, and the total amount will be displayed in the question, then multiply it with 100, you will get the increase or decrease percentage. Exercise number 7.2, question number 4. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to rupees 3,70,000, and what was the percentage of price increase? So this is an increase, so you can subtract the bigger number minus smaller number, that is the difference is 20,000. Original amount is actually 3,50,000. So the percentage increase or percentage change is equal to change in the amount, that is 20,000 by 3,50,000. You can sum up to 5 by 7 percentage as a mixed fraction through these procedures. Next, we can move to the prices related to an item or buying and selling. Here we have some terms which are related to the buying and selling. Cost price, CP, denoted generally by CP, which is the buying price of any item. Selling price is the SP, the price at which you sell. So CP and SP will be different. If we are buying, that will be different from the selling rate. If the CP is less than SP, it is a profit. Then SP will be the bigger, SP minus CP will be the profit. CP equal to SP means no profit, no loss. CP greater than SP means loss equal, that is a loss, and the CP will be bigger. Cost price will be bigger and it is a loss, and CP minus SP is the loss quantity. Question you can do there. A toy bought for rupees 72 is sold at rupees 80. You can find the profit or loss. Profit or loss percentage. Here also you can do the same for the increase or decrease percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Next question. Find the profit percentage of a cycle when it is bought for rupees 120 and sold for 140. SP is 140 and CP is 120. So the profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 20 rupees. Then the profit percentage is equal to 20 by CP into 100. Next question. The cost of a flower vase is rupees 120. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 10%, find SP. You have to find the SP here. And CP is given 120. 10% loss from CP means you have to subtract 10% of 120. That is 12. Then SP equal to CP minus loss. The answer is 108. Simple interest. This is actually an extra amount. Interest means it is an extra amount. Principal amount or sum is the money you borrow or deposit, which is the principal, which will be at the beginning, at the very beginning. And the interest is the extra money you are paying. So the total amount you have to pay back will be principal amount plus the interest amount. People borrow or deposit money in banks or in other finance institutions for some period of years and for the fixed rate of interest. So you have to note here some terms like fixed rate of interest, period of number of years, and also the principal amount. Okay, according to these things, people will be buying and paying back or depositing some amounts in the bank. Let's have an equation for this. I is the simple interest, which is equal to P n R by 100. P into N into R by 100. Now the P is principal amount, N is number of years, R is rate of interest, and I is the simple interest. Just by calculating this, you can find the interest that should be paid after 1 or 2 years, which is the time period of the loan or the deposit. And adding this interest along with the principal, you can pay it back or you will get the money back on the cases of deposition. Exercise 7.2. Find the amount, which is the 9th question. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years, where P is 1200 and R is 12. Keep practicing and don't forget to follow this channel for more updates. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the upcoming parts of your classes.